Hey guys, this is Lady. Lady is from one of our rescue partners, our good friends out there. And Lady has a very cool heart murmur. It's a grade 5 out of 6, and it's what we call a machinery murmur. So when we think about what the heart does, it's a pump, and it's got lots of little parts, 4 of them, atria and ventricle. And what we want to hear is like a lub dub. And what we hear with Lady is we go lub shh dub and whatnot. And we have this weird misconception that the sound of the murmur has to relate to the severity of the disease, and it doesn't. And one of the things that we can do here at Springfield Vet is that we can give them advanced care so that girls like Lady can get the cardiac care that she needs and also get spayed today so that we can be adopted and find a loving home.